Hello everyone. So in this video we will understand the backend concept of SMOTE. So here I have a dataset which consists two classes. The blue points are from the not fraud class and the red points are from the fraud class. If we compare the number of blue points, they are greater if we compare with the red points, right? And if we train our model in this imbalanced dataset, then our model can assume the upcoming data is more likely is a part of not fraud class. That means it's a part of the blue points just because it learn in the training time more with the blue points only. For example, suppose you have a math exam और आपने पूरी तैयारी बस कैलकुलस पे ही की है एंड यू आर अज्यूमिंग जो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो कैलकुलस से ही आएंगे. इट इज नॉट करेक्ट, राइट? Question can be from linear algebra and other topics as well, similar to that. So to create a balance between both the classes, we used synthetic minority oversampling technique, which is SMOTE, right? And now we will understand what is the backend in the SMOTE technique, how it works, like how it create new points using the existing points. In this slide, I will explain you. Suppose like A point is belongs to the fraud class. Like this point is a part of the red point. Okay, and now we will find out k nearest neighbors of A point, right? And B is a part of B is a random point which is a part of A's k nearest neighbors point. Now what we will do? Now we will find out the distance between A and B here, like the path between A and B. And what is the purpose of that? The new point is generated in this path. The new point will exist in this path. So that's the only reason we are finding out the distance between A and B. And that distance, now we will multiply with lambda. And lambda is a random point between 0 and 1. And how lambda is working here? Suppose lambda is equals to 0.5 here. That means that represent we are covering 50% of this path. But now it is not clear towards A point or towards B point. Okay, like from where we will start, from A point or from B point. To consider that, to to include that, we are adding here xi, and xi is representing here a minority sample. Okay, and what is the minority sample is here, which is 2,3. That is our initial point. And now if I include the total formula, it means firstly we are finding out the distance between this, like the path to cover to join A and B, and then we are multiplying lambda with this. That means like if lambda is 0.3, that means we will cover the 30% of this path. And if we are adding here xi like A, then we will start from A and cover the 30% of this path. And like the 30% cover, the end point will be our next generated new sample. And while repeating that, we will repeat this until we achieve the balance between both the class. That's how the backend work in the SMOTE technique. And after creating a balance between them, like this is the after picture, we apply SMOTE. Here we can see the balance between both the classes, and obviously after applying the SMOTE, we achieve the balance, and then we can achieve more good metrics like recall, F1 score and accuracy. Similar, अगर हमने मैथ्स के एग्जाम के लिए कैलकुलस, लीनियर अलजेब्रा एंड बाकी सारे टॉपिक्स की तैयारी की होती, तो हम एग्जाम में बेटर परफॉर्म करते हैं. Similar to that only. And now here one question is mine is, like here we are playing with numbers to generating a new sample, new point and new data, right? Playing with number. So can we apply SMOTE with the text data? Because text is a combination of characters. Can we apply that here? If you know the answer, please do comment, and thank you for watching.